Okay, so I just got to school and there's nobody. I'm so late. 8:13. Holy moly. Okay guys, so this is my cake box. You can't see the paint because it's really light right here. But these are the colors. Slow drop.
Just this class for some reason, like.
Just this class, yeah.
She probably talks about us.
You know she talks about us.
And yeah, she's like, first hour. You know, teachers always do that. They're like, well, this class, I don't like that.
So I'm eating right now. With some Chick-fil-A sauce and some fries. So good.
No, mommy, booger, booger.
Homemade fries. I didn't record a lot today, but because there wasn't really enough, like, nothing really happened today. Whatever, boring other day. But I did go to Fry's right now. I forgot to record that, I don't know why. So we're getting here to Dutch Bros and we're about to go. Hey guys, so I'm home. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:08 p.m.
It's 8:08 p.m. I just got out of the shower. I look really bad. Oh my god. And oh god, I'm not showing. It's a mess. My siblings have a mess. But I am almost done unpacking. I just showered. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. This is pretty much basically day 2 of Vlogmas, but I mean no, it's basically day 5 of Vlogmas because December 2nd, December 3rd, and December 4th, you guys already know I was at camp and I didn't really get to film because I didn't have my phone. But on December 2nd, I didn't film enough content for you guys, so I'm just deciding not to post any. Welcome back. It's currently 6:52 in the morning. I'm about to be late probably because my mom is still not awake and the kids are still not awake, so that's great. Yeah. I'm just getting ready. My voice is really deep right now. I don't like it. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys. Let's see if I can put this up. Look what I did. I took all the stickers off of my hydro flask because I'm gonna go to my cousin's house and get more. But don't tell her. I'm just gonna do homework. This is the place so far. And then the table. I didn't film anything at school because nothing really happened or anything. It was really boring. So yeah, tonight is Young Life. Yeah, pretty chill day today. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, okay. So it's currently 6:48, and I'm just laying here now, waiting for the time so I can go to Young Life. It's so messy in my room right now because of my siblings. So yeah. So I'm over here walking to my mom, and it's like not pitch black, but like it's really dark outside. But the sky looks so cool. I don't know, let me see if I can brighten it. You can. It's like really cool. Yeah, it's really cold too.
You do not know. I am.
Okay guys,
I am video.
so Young Life is over, and they're working hard.
It's like the band's breaking up for real.
This is the last of the semester.
This is it, guys.
Probably miss Morgan most.
It's the final countdown.
There's never gonna be another Young Life meeting. Sing it.
And we're gonna go back to camp next week.
Oh my god, no way, we're gonna go back
Wow.
to camp next week? I no.
I gotta go, guys, because I have to do homework and it's really late. And I have to shower, do skincare. I'm trying to do a face mask tonight because I'm getting so active. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Vlogmas Day 5. But you could pretty much say it's Vlogmas Day 2 for me. Like, this is like second post of Vlogmas. Because if you watched the previous Vlogmas Day 1, you know the whole situation of it all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know they're kind of short, so I'm gonna try to make them like a little bit longer, you know. So make sure you guys hit that like button if you did like this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I want you all to comment down below with the question of the day, which is, have you ever been to winter camp? And that is the question of the day. So make sure